Hi guys, this is something that I just got. This is a Mafex Dark Knight Returns TDKR. So this is just a short video that I'm doing. This is actually oops, you can see my reflection. So anyway, this is basically just an unboxing, and I will follow it up with a video of a review. So this is the first time I'm doing this for my YouTube, so we'll see. Yeah, so you would want to have your sound on for this one. You would want sound for this. Nothing sounds more like a an unboxing of a new vehicle. Yeah. Oh, that sound. Biasanya yang tricky di sini nih. Tapi kalau udah tricky gini, ya udah pusing amat. Cabut aja. Kayak gini kan. Nah, udah unbox. See? Secure the tray. Then we proceed to do... Oh, that sound. There you go. That's the end of the unboxing. See you soon with a review of this bad boy. I just need to throw the tray away. See you soon.